Hello guys, welcome to the video tutorials of codandtest.com. This is the second video from the manual testing series, and in this video we'll learn what testing is and why it's needed. Okay, so let's get started. The definition of testing is verification and validation of predefined set of rules, instructions and procedures. In other words, checking the system to see if it meets the requirements it was designed for or developed for, and also to check if it's working as expected in certain conditions. Okay, so we said it's verification and validation. Let's see what verification is. Verification is the process of confirming the requirements, right? This is used to evaluate whether system complies with specifications. The documents like BRS, SRS, FRS are verified against each other in order to investigate if any requirements are missing. The quality control activities like auditing, meetings, reviews, monitoring fall under this verification, and all activities which are being carried out should be as per strategy, and actions are taken to avoid any deviations. Okay, so this verification is an ongoing activity. It's like monitoring the software development process from start to finish. It's not like it is monitoring the development process from start to finish. And one more thing is, software under test is not actually used in verification. The documents are verified against each other, and the other things like meetings, auditings, reviews are done. Okay, now let's see validation. The process of checking the system to certify that it will meet the requirements it was designed for. Okay, now in validation we use the software, that is, we give different inputs in different conditions and check for outputs. And validation is the process of quality assurance. Okay, see the difference. Validation is the process of quality assurance, okay, whereas quality control activities will fall under verification process, right? So verification can be expressed by the query, are we building the software right? Okay, it's like asking yourself, will these planned activities or procedures help us in building a software? Okay, and validation can be expressed by, are we building the right software? Okay, verification, are we building the software right? And validation, are we building the right software? Okay, so now why is testing needed? To check if the software is missing the requirements, to check if the software is meeting the requirements it was built for. Okay, and to find defects and to avoid any miscommunications. Lots of communication takes place while developing a software. Clients will talk to business analysts or QA manager or project leads or delivery heads, and in turn these project managers, leads will talk to their subordinates, to their juniors like senior engineers or senior testers or junior testers or junior developers, etc. Right? So messages might get lost or they might get misinterpreted at times. To avoid this, we do testing. Okay, and testing is also done to find missing or additional requirements. Sometimes customer might forget to give some requirements, or he might give some additional requirements which are not needed. And sometimes what happens, customer might not have enough knowledge about the software he wants. He wants the software, but he doesn't know what it should do, what functionalities it should have. So in such cases, the team should decide which requirements should be added to the software and which requirements should not be added, right? So yes, it's a part of testing as well, but it's done at a higher level. So testing is also done to build confidence on the software. Let's assume you are not testing let's assume you are not testing a software. You just built it but did not test it. Now you cannot say with confidence that your software is ideal or anything close to ideal, or it's the best in the market, right? Because you haven't tested it and you don't know how it's going to perform in real time. Okay, so testing is done to build confidence on the software, and it's also done to meet and exceed customer expectations, right? When customer is giving our organization some work, he is expecting a quality output from us. So we should not only meet his expectations, we should exceed his expectations, right? So that was about testing, and in testing we learned what verification is and what validation is, and we also learned why testing is needed. Okay, so see you in the next video.